As a game developer or an application developer, let's talk about the first problem you are facing with. You spend days, weeks, even months to finish and publish your masterpiece. Congratulations, you are in the market. What's next? We all know that now we need audience. What can we do to reach our target audience? Maybe we need a website, a YouTube page, some social media channels, but most importantly, we need content. How we will design the content? We don't have enough budget to spend for high quality motion pictures. We cannot pay thousands of dollars to CG animation studios, but if you are a game designer and if you are using Unity, you are the lucky one. Don't forget, Unity is not only a game engine, it's a solution for creating interactive, real-time content. You can easily design your advertisement movie clips by using Unity's animation solutions and render them within minutes, not hours. Now, I can hear your next question. Where do we start? How we will design an animation in Unity? We are game or application developers. We don't know anything about producing an animated movie clip. I'm here to answer these questions. First of all, we are not talking about 1 or 2 hours long Disney movie. What we need is a funny, small advertisement movie clip. Of course, animation production is a complicated process, and even for a 40 seconds movie clip, we should spend around $2,000. Let's don't spend this money because we are already designing games and applications. Let's produce our animation with our own tools and believe in our creativity. Regardless from the duration of animation movie clip, first we should find the idea, then we should write down a short script. Next step will be storyboarding. We can use tools like Storyboarder or Canva to design our storyboard. Okay, now we have an idea, we have a script and storyboard. What's next? We should plan everything and allocate some time for preparations. The rest will be using Unity's animator, animation clips, and timeline. Inside of Unity, we have also advanced lighting opportunities and post-processing effects. We will have that chance to watch every step of our animation production in game view, and it will be real time. By this way, we can turn back all the time and fix the problems. Once we satisfy with the result of our production, with Unity's recorder, it will take a couple of minutes to render a high-definition movie clip, which will be ready to publish. You don't hear wrong, not hours, just minutes for rendering. Now, I tried to explain the steps in very short video, but also we designed a 6-hour course to prove to you all process can be done by yourself. The course is available now in Udemy and you can find the link below. I think we find a solution for one of our problems and I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel and feel free to share your comments with us.